Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. Wanted to share with you the must-do deals for next week at CVS. There is another cash card promotion going on with a ton of baby items included. They have Johnson & Johnson included, they have the wipes, they have Pampers, diapers included as well. So I will have a breakdown for that listed in the printable document when I do my Sunday CVS haul. So make sure you guys stay tuned on the channel for that. I do have another scenario that I'm going to share with you in the must-do deals video. So a lot of good deals going on, some hair care deals. We have some freebies as well. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I do post videos almost every single day. I did post the video yesterday with the winner being announced for my last giveaway. So if you haven't checked that out yet, you could be the lucky winner. Make sure you guys head over there. I will have it linked in the description box as well as at the end of the video. It's in the Walgreens must-do deals video. So let's go ahead and get started on these great deals for next week. Colgate, you can grab a Colgate toothpaste for just 49 cents next week. It is a limit of 2, so you could do the deal twice. They are on sale for $3.49, and when you buy one, you get a $2 extra back. So one deal you could do, completely beginner friendly. Go to Colgate.com, print out a $1 off coupon for the Optic White, pick up one of the Optic White toothpaste at $3.49. You'll pay just $2.49, get back that $2 extra buck, so final cost is just 49 cents. Definitely a great deal. Again, it is a limit of 2, so if you wanted to do the deal twice, just make sure you print out 2 coupons from Colgate.com. The next deal is on You by Kotex. They're on sale, buy one, get one half off. There is a $1 sent to card coupon that is going to be on the larger products. I just did a scenario on the cheapest items that you could grab. Of course, if you don't use liners or you don't want to grab the liners, you could always grab the tampons or the pads. They're a little more expensive, but again, we are getting those sent to card coupons. If you have the feminine care CRT, it would definitely be a great value. So this is a limit of 1. When you buy 2, you get a $2 extra back. So one thing you can grab is 2 of the You by Kotex liners. They are $1.69, so the second one would be 85 cents. You'll pay the full $2.53 out of pocket, get back the $2 extra back, so final cost is just 53 cents for both. Now, if you have a 2 off of 2 feminine care CRT, you'll pay just 53 cents, get back the $2 extra buck, so then it would be completely free in a $1.47 moneymaker. Always a great donation item. You can donate it to different middle schools or high schools. They keep some in the nursing station, so that would always be a great idea as well, even if you don't want to use these for yourself. Crest Mouthwash. This is on the larger 1-liter bottles. They're on sale for $4.99 next week. And when you buy one, you get a $2 extra buck. It is a limit of 2. So what I'm going to do is buy 2 of the Crest mouthwashes. They're $4.99. Use a $1 digital coupon. Then we're getting a $1 coupon in our P&G insert that we're going to be getting on Sunday. If you have a 2 off of 6 mouthwash CRT, make sure you put that in there as well. You'll pay $5.98, get back a $4 extra buck because we are doing the deal twice. So $2 extra buck per mouthwash that we're buying. Final cost would be $1.98 for both, or just 99 cents each. So definitely a great deal because these are the large 1-liter bottles. The next deal I'm really excited about, we have not had a super good deal on Dove body wash in a while, and next week it is a limit of 1, but they're on sale. Buy one, get one half off, and when you spend $12, you're going to get a $4 extra back. So what you can do is pick up 2 of the Dove body wash. They are $8.99 regular price. They're really, really pricey at CVS. So the second one would be $4.49. Total comes to $13.48. Now, you either got $1 off or $1.25 off body wash coupons for Dove from the $3.15 inserts. I do believe they expire on Sunday as well, so this would be a Sunday only deal. Then go on the mobile app on your phone, click on the CVS app, open your coupons. You will see some app-only coupons. There's quite a few listed, so make sure you send those to your card. We have a $1 off Dove body wash app-only coupon. So if you try to find it from your desktop or laptop computer, you will not find it. You're going to pay $10.48, get back that $4 extra buck. So final cost is $6.48 for both, or $3.25 each. So without any CRTs, not a bad deal there. Now, if you have a 3 off of 12 body wash CRT, you're going to want to go ahead and use that with this deal. Then you'll pay just $7.48, get back a $4 extra buck. Final cost is $3.48 for both, or just $1.74 each, which is such a great deal for Dove body wash. Suave hair care. This will be a great freebie. They're on sale. Buy 3, get a $3 extra back. So what I'm going to do is pick up 4 of them because of the coupons that we have coming. We have 3 off of 2 Suave coupons. So they're going to be coming in the $3.29 Retail Me Not inserts. Hopefully my region gets it. A lot of times my region doesn't get some hair care coupons, so fingers crossed. You're going to use 2 of those coupons, so then you're going to pay $6, get back the $3 extra buck. Final cost would be $3 for all 4 bottles, or 75 cents per bottle. Now, if you have a 3 off of 12 hair care CRT, last week it did expire on Sunday, bummer. I also had a 2 off of 2 Suave hair care CRT, which would have made it a nice little money maker. But if you just have a hair care CRT, you'll pay $3, get back $3, so that would make it completely free for 4 bottles of shampoo and conditioner. Oh my God, there's a moth in my room. Okay, moving on. There's a very large moth that is just flying around in my room right now. That is wild. It's like the size of a quarter. Okay, Reese's eggs and the Cadbury eggs. So they're on sale next week. Buy one, get one free. The current week, we got a 3 off of 3 Reese's and Cadbury eggs instant coupon from the Red Box. So if you buy 4 of them, 2 of them will be $1.29 and 2 of them will be free. Then the 3 off of 3 coupon is going to come off. You're not going to get any overage. It's just going to wind up zeroing out, and then you'll get 4 items for free. You can mix and match however you guys want to do it. Nice little candies to put in Easter baskets, or of course for yourself. So Softsoap and Irish Spring body wash, they're on sale at Walgreens as well. They're buy 3, get a $5 extra buck. It is a limit of 3, so you can do this deal up to 3 times. You'll get a $5 extra buck each time you do the deal. So as you see, there is a $1 off coupon coming in our Sunday inserts. Some regions get 75 cents, some regions get $1. So it just depends on where you live in the US. So picking up 3, either the Softsoap or the Irish Spring, they're $4.99 each. You're going to use $3 off coupons. We're getting some in this Sunday $3.29 Smart Source insert. We also had some in the $3.15 Retail Me Not insert. So double check, see which ones you have available. If you have a 2 off of 6 body wash CRT, definitely use that in this deal. You'll pay $9.97. Get back a $5 extra buck. So final cost would be $4.97 for all 3, or just $1.65 per body wash. So definitely a great deal on body wash if you guys need to stock up. Again, you can mix and match. You can do all Irish Spring, all Softsoap, whatever you guys want to do. Hopefully we'll get a digital as well, so fingers crossed. We'll have to check our accounts on Sunday, and I will update you guys tomorrow morning on my printable coupons video, let you know of what great digitals come available and if there's any good rebates that we can use in conjunction with our deals from Ibotta, Saving Star, Fetch Rewards, you name it. Okay, so now it's time for my cash card deal scenario. So this is just one scenario. Again, I will have a separate scenario listed for you guys in the printable breakdown of my CVS haul video, and I do post that for you guys every Sunday. I do my CVS haul. So what I'm going to do is pick up one of the Tide Pods, the 12 to 16 count. They're on sale next week for just $4.94. one of the really large Tide liquids. I am out. I like the original Tide, so I usually try to pick up one of the large ones. That way it'll last me a while and I won't have to keep going out and grabbing them. So they're going to be on sale $11.94. Then I'm going to get a Downy Wrinkle Guard fabric softener for $5.94. And 2 Head & Shoulders on sale for $12. This is going to bring me to $34.82. Remember, you do have to hit $30 if your store follows the 98% rule. I've had a lot of questions on that recently. How you calculate that is just on your calculator, you would do 30 times 0.98. That equals $29.40. So as long as your items equal at least $29.40, and if your store follows the 98% rule, not all stores do, then you would still get the $10 cash card coupon to print on the end of your receipt, which you would then, of course, hand right back to the cashier. They will scan it, scan the cash card, and then hand you the physical cash card, which looks just like a gift card. So I just wanted to go over that again with you guys. I've been getting a lot of questions on that. So make sure you guys hit the right price point to make sure you can get that cash card. Okay, so these are the coupons you're going to need. A 3 off of 2, I meant to put Head & Shoulders coupon from the P&G insert. 3 off of 12 hair care CRT if you have it. $1.50 for the Downy Wrinkle Guard, printable from pgeveryday.com. $1 Downy app-only coupon. It's another app-only coupon, so make sure you send that to your card from your smartphone. $2 digital for the Tide Liquid or in the P&G insert. $2 digital for the Tide Pods or also in the P&G insert, and a $1 app-only coupon again for the Tide Pods. So a ton of app-only coupons. That's 3 so far that we're going to be using in these must-do deals. So make sure you guys click whichever ones. There was an Always one, there was an M&M's, Johnson & Johnson. So just double check whatever items you think you're going to be purchasing, clip that and send it to your card. So here's the final cost breakdown for this cash card scenario. Total is $34.82, of course, plus taxes. Coupons total $13.50. You'll be left to pay $21.32 out of pocket. You can use Extra Bucks, you can use Fetch Rewards gift cards, whatever. Then you're going to get back that $10 cash card. So final cost is $11.32 for all 5 items, or just $2.26 each. Definitely a great price point because remember, we're getting 100 ounces of Tide, and both of those Head & Shoulders regular price are about $6.29 or $6.49 per bottle. So definitely a great price point for the cash card deal. Again, there are so many items available. There's Poise, there's Depends, L'Oreal facial care is included again as well. So double check your CRTs that you have from the current week. If you haven't been to CVS and you're staying home or you're in quarantine, make sure you go on your app or on a computer and at least send those CRTs to your card. That way, you can do an online CVS haul and you won't lose out on all of the CRTs from the current week. If you don't send them to your card at midnight, they do erase and you get your new ones. So if you send those to your card, you'll still get your new batch of CRTs early Sunday morning. So I always randomly wake up at like 5 a.m. every Sunday because I get so excited, and I always go through my app, check what CRTs I have, and then I kind of go back to bed for a little bit before I wake up and figure out my haul. So if you guys have any questions or anything, make sure you guys drop a comment. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up for me. Share it with your friends and family. I know a lot of people are trying to be tight with their budgets now more than ever, so being able to save as much as we are in these deals at CVS next week can really help tons and tons of families. So the more you share it, the more people can see it, and the more people can take advantage of all the savings. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.